Okay, we just bought the Toshiba 10,000 BTU, 300 square feet, portable AC unit, and we're gonna unbox it. My honey's gonna go ahead and do the honors. She's gonna pull that whole top right off.
Don't tell me, I'll kill you.
No, you gotta pull it straight. Oh my God.
No, I gotta cut it.
She's a maniac. I thought she was coming after me with that knife. Careful. All right, let's see what we got inside. All right, so these are the things we're going to use to put on the door. Hold
I
on.
already have a rash.
Slow.
It's too much.
Okay. Just set her over there. Looks like we got some felt, gefilte fish. And this, I don't know what that is. Just going to pull that
Did
out.
we put this right side up?
No, we got it upside down. If it was upside down, we'd be in trouble.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, huh? So here's our little thing for the window. This is the window holder. Let's set that there. And hopefully that's going to be big enough. Yep, it looks like it's got 3 pieces.
Can you slide this out and put it on the side?
Well, I think what we should do is, first of all, oh look.
Where's that gonna go? There's no plug here. That's a whole different, what the fuck is that?
No,
like
it's a regular plug.
that's
It's not a
regular plug.
250.
It's not a.
It's a regular
110?
plug. Yeah, no, it's a regular 110.
Good.
Yeah. That would suck if it was a 250.
So, can it go in here?
I think we can plug it right in there, yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So first of all, let's go ahead and get it out of here, okay? So what we got to do to do that,
The back.
I think what we need to do is just cut down one side of it. Wait a minute, this will pull right off. Oh, we're so dumb. Oh my
I was
God.
just thinking, doesn't it? Yeah.
Oh, enjoy your trip. Yeah, this is a comedy of schnares.
You really could have pulled that off without doing all that.
All right, there we go. All right, let's take a look at this bad boy. All right, so this is the unit itself. We may have to read some directions.
Let me see this.
We have to save this box.
Yeah, it goes right in there.
Okay, so let's not put it in yet. Let's
No,
figure
I
out.
just checked to see if it went in.
Yeah, let's take like all this stuff off. We'll get it out of this. And if you'll take this and hold this way, like this, I'm going to pull it
let's
out.
move quickly.
No, just relax for a second, okay?
Yeah.
We're not going to move quickly. We're going to do it right.
Is there a book? There's a
We're
book.
going to do it right, okay?
Yeah, but I want to not be here for an hour.
You're supposed to be filming. I'm going to do.
taking this out of your
I'm
way
doing
for
it
you. I
all.
can't even get it. I can't even get it.
All right. So look, oh, it's got wheels. Nice.
Okay.
Let's put all that junk in the book. All right, so check this out, you guys.
Except for there's no bottom.
It's got wheels.
Awesome.
All right, so the way I do believe it hooks in is you're going to put we're going to
Yep.
put our thing here.
Yep.
It's going to roll up. And it's going to have to go in this window here. And this.
But can
Open
we
up
still
like that.
can we still shut the shade? You got to be able to shut the shade.
Well, you might be able to shut it to here. Because
Yeah.
this will be at the bottom. All right, so. That might, see, I have to check
I'm just
this.
not hitting you yet. What?
I'm just trying to see if this is going to fit in that window and cover it all. If the window's open, it's not going to work.
Oh, it also has to go from the top to the bottom.
Right, so this is our situation here.
So
with
it literally
this.
has to at least
We've
be
got,
there.
So
And
this
it looks
is,
like it will, right? Or does it?
no,
Wait,
does not go all the way.
wait.
Does not fit. Oh, oh look! Can you see me? What are you
Yes,
seeing?
I see.
You don't see this.
Yes.
So this is going to fit.
It extends.
All right, let's
Yes.
set it over here for a second. So this does extend, so
Yep.
we can do
Yep.
that. And I do believe this is where,
And that extends a little too.
yeah.
Awesome. Oh my gosh, is this really going to work?
And it's got overflow valve. It's got a got a remote. Comes with batteries. And whatever this is. I do believe I may have to do some I'm gonna have to look at this. All right, so there's our booklet.
Oh, that's just too much stuff. I'm already gonna return it. Look at all that writing. Look at all those words. Oh no, rash. Do you need any of it? Can't you just do it?
Yeah, I think I can do it. I mean, it's not that, it's basically you have to set this, this right here is going to set in here like this,
Right.
okay? And I do believe, I think,
Snaps in.
depending on how we put the window in. So that'll go like that. And then this
Yep.
is gonna set inside like that.
Yep.
And then it's gonna feed here,
Yep.
I believe, to the back of this, which is right here.
Yep.
So, I'm looking at this, and this seems like it goes like that.
In the other way. Yeah. They go in.
So this has got a
Slots.
little notch
I
there.
think the slots go in, don't you?
It's got a little thing like that. And then now this is going to go in here. It's going to catch on these.
Right.
Can you see these?
Yep.
Right here?
Yeah.
So that catches on that like that.
You want to do that right now, though?
Yeah. Well, I can just pull this
Well,
out.
that's not even on.
I can just pull it out.
Yeah.
You see? And then this is going to go in here like this.
Yep.
So these go like
Yep.
this. So we can go ahead and just put this on.
Yep.
So that's ready to go. And then we can stick it on here once we get that in the
Right.
window. So I'm
Okay.
thinking that we've got to, we want to have this at the bottom,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
So, are you seeing everything? So this should set in there like that. Just like that. Okay. So now we can take this, and there should be little locks, key locks on it, I would think, so that we can lock it out. So it sets like this, and now we can take it, put it in here. Now this will go all the way up,
Mhm.
up here like that. And then here we
So
have
we
a little,
can pull the shade down to.
right, and then we can put the key locks
Right.
right in here. There's
Right.
one here and one there. So
Right.
that's how that's gonna
So you have
fit.
to take the screen out.
Here, no. Here.
Oh, you don't?
Oh, come. So here, look, see on the side here,
Yeah.
there's little pins that we're gonna put in there. And then we can pull this open. And
So there doesn't have to be a drain thing on this side?
I'm not sure how the drain's gonna go. We have to figure that out. Might have to go into a bucket or something.
Because the
So-
screen may have to come out, right?
The screen doesn't have to come out.
Well, then where does the drain go?
No, this is gonna blow the air out.
I get it.